Alright y'all, we are in line for the Boeing 737 MAX-8. This line is not as bad as the A350 yesterday, so hope to see how well that goes. And yeah, we will get back to you once we get to the air stairs at the front. Just about to board the plane and I got a poster and 3 of the American trading cards from the Southwest, including Liberty One, Freedom One, and Independence One. And we are about to board the airplane, so that's cool. So get back to you once we get inside. Finally in the 737 here. Unfortunately, this looks blocked off, but I'm gonna tell that as well. Alright, and here is a view in here. Unfortunately, it is blocked off, but hey, it's got, let me take a look here. We got first class seats. They have chargers. Tray table seems to be different, and phone holder. Then we have, I think it's a premium economy right here, I believe. Not too much change. And then, or I think this is regular economy now. Maybe there is no premium economy in this plane, who knows. But we'll take a look right there. But overall, cool looking airplane. Head to the back of this 737 MAX-8 here. And we are Alright guys, and we are, oh that's in the way. I'm gonna cut that out. We are off the plane. Very quick, very easy. Except for waiting in line for like 2 hours, but overall, it's great. Make sure to leave me a follow, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.